Have you ever woken up in a sweat, wondering why you dreamed about stealing money? What does stealing money in your dreams really mean? Could this nighttime vision be revealing something deeper about your subconscious? Is there a hidden message behind dreaming about taking money that you're missing? Can the act of stealing money in a dream signify something beyond guilt? What could possibly be the underlying emotions tied to dreaming of stealing money? In this video, we'll delve into the meanings and interpretations of such dreams. Don't forget to check our video description for bonus content made for you. Dreaming of stealing money may signify feelings of guilt or remorse over a past decision or action. Now let's delve deeper into the negative interpretations of such dreams. Often, dreams serve as a mirror reflecting our subconscious thoughts and emotions. When we dream of stealing money, it might be a manifestation of guilt or regret we are harboring over past actions. Perhaps we've made decisions we're not proud of, or taken steps that we later regretted. These feelings of guilt can seep into our dreams, taking the shape of us stealing money. But it's not just about guilt. These dreams can also be a manifestation of our fears, particularly fears related to financial instability or loss of personal security. In a world where money is often equated with stability, dreaming of stealing it could indicate underlying anxieties about our financial situation. Are we worried about losing our job? Are we concerned about not having enough savings for the future? These fears might be playing out in our dreams as acts of theft. Then there are feelings of inadequacy. Dreams about stealing money could be an indication of a deep-seated feeling of lack, a sense that we're not good enough, or that we're missing something essential in our lives. This could be anything from love and acceptance to success and achievement. The act of stealing money in the dream world could be a symbolic representation of our desire to fill these perceived gaps in our life. Lastly, such dreams can also symbolize an internal conflict. We all have a moral compass guiding us, but sometimes our desires and ambitions might push us towards actions that conflict with our ethical values. If you're dreaming of stealing money, it might indicate that you're grappling with such a conflict. Are you allowing your desires to override your moral standards? Stealing money in a dream can symbolize internal conflict, possibly indicating that unethical desires might be taking precedence over your moral values. Remember, dreams are deeply personal, and their interpretations can vary. They serve as a window into our subconscious, helping us understand our fears, desires, and conflicts. So, the next time you dream of stealing money, don't panic. Instead, try to understand what your subconscious might be trying to tell you. On the other hand, stealing money in a dream might symbolize a yearning for freedom and the desire to take control of your own destiny. It's not always about guilt or fear. Sometimes it's about courage and determination. It's about breaking free from the chains that bind you, taking the risk, and navigating your own path. The money you're stealing in your dream? That could be the power you're seizing to shape your future. Additionally, these dreams could indicate resourcefulness. Maybe you're the type who finds creative solutions to problems, who thinks outside the box, who doesn't let obstacles stand in the way. Dreaming about stealing money could be your subconscious telling you that you have what it takes to overcome challenges, that you have the cunning and the wit to find your way around hurdles. And let's not forget about boldness. Stealing money in a dream can reflect a strong motivation for taking bold steps to achieve your goals. It can signify that you are ready to step out of your comfort zone, to take risks, to leap into the unknown. It's a sign of your daring spirit, your readiness to push boundaries, and your willingness to go the extra mile for what you want. Lastly, this dream can signify overcoming barriers and breaking away from conventional limitations. It's about not being confined to the societal norms and expectations, about challenging the status quo, about being unapologetically you. It's about recognizing that the only limitations are the ones you set for yourself, and that if you want something, you have the power to go out there and get it. So the next time you dream about stealing money, don't jump to conclusions. Look deeper, interpret further. It might not be a sign of guilt or fear, but a symbol of your desire for freedom, your resourcefulness, your boldness, and your courage to break away from limitations. Stealing money in your dream could signify overcoming barriers and gathering the courage to break away from conventional limitations. Remember, Dreams are a personal journey, and interpretations can vary greatly depending on the individual. The realm of dreams is fascinating and complex, just like the human mind that creates them. Just as a dream about stealing money can stir up feelings of guilt or symbolize a yearning for freedom, it can also be a reflection of your unique psyche and life experiences. If you've been intrigued by today's exploration of dream meanings and interpretation, we encourage you to delve deeper. Uncovering the secrets of your dreams can be an enlightening and enriching journey of self-discovery and understanding. It's like unraveling a mystery where you're both the detective and the suspect. We invite you to join us in this journey and be part of our community. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on dream interpretation and the symbolic meanings hidden in our dreams. We're curious to hear about your dream experiences too. Have you ever dreamed about stealing money? How did it make you feel? What did you think it meant? Share your dream stories in the comments below. Thank you for watching. As Carl Jung once said, "Who looks outside, dreams. Who looks inside, awakes." On that note, we invite you to look inside, awaken, and explore the world of dreams. Don't forget to check our video description for bonus content made for you.